Look, we are come deal with a matter right now because this is a very serious matter. Yes, my brother, baby mother, my brother is 16, and baby mother is 16 too. Anyways, him get her pregnant, she have twin. She go down go have the baby them teeth one of the baby them. She have a girl and a boy, them teeth the boy baby. Now it's in at the start, to the start, here which date? The 5th. It's in at the start. I go up on the road and come back. Police and CCO cause they all over the place are on the baby and the baby mother talk about so she for sign paper for take what the next baby. Tell the truth, Jamaica, we need justice. This can't right. Them take a one and now them want to take the next one. Eh? Tell me now. So the baby, you read the start today? Yeah, me went back to say look. And my niece and my nephew and more back the baby, the boy baby, and them now get the girl. So when the law come, tell them to come good. Portia, where you there? Peter Phillips, I want there. Eh? I want there. Tell the truth. We don't need to deal with this matter. Because right now, my sister and I run up and down with the baby because peer police all over the place to look for she and the baby to take with the baby and with whole paper about she for sign paper. We don't need to come in at this right now because it's urgent. Stop this.